everybody, it's Gaby's opening channel again. Can we call that channel that, please? Anyway, we're just gonna open this because I already started opening it. Unbox new mini toys to collect. I think there's 100. I got all the door things, just not the microphone. So we're just gonna get right into it. Oh, and it's mini toys, by the way. Not sponsored. I wish it was sponsored though. Wouldn't? Huh? Mom, what are you doing? Anyway, what do you call a banana that has been cut in half? Comment down below. And Mom, say hello.
Hi.
Anyway, you have to say hello somehow, Mom.
Okay. What's the answer to that joke?
I'm not doing it. They have to comment down below,
Oh, okay.
Mom.
Yep, sorry.
Just said that.
Oh, okay.
You may have to watch this video all over again. Anyway, so see, it looks totally normal, but there's plastic. Invisible plastic, told ya. Hopefully you are collecting these. There was no merch, by the way. My mom still has to make merch. Sorry about no merch coming out. My mom hasn't made a shop yet for me and hasn't made merch at all. I told her to, but she did not. Mom, please just quit buying stuff that say girl power and stuff. Please just make your own. Anyway.
You want me to make your own merch?
Yes, do it.
Okay. Come on, let's open up. Let's see what you got.
I am. Let's see what I got. A hula hoop. I already have.
Show everybody. You can't just say a hula hoop and not show everybody. Oh, yeah.
I have this hula hoop a bunch of times. I'll just put it on the side. I got this a bunch of
What
times.
is that? The little boy. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but.
So it's a triple 4 times 6 times. How many times have you got him?
2 so far.
What's next?
I'm looking, Mama. Blah. I haven't got this gun
What is
yet.
it? Show everybody. The
It's
gun.
a slime ball.
It's like a water gun
thing.
or slime gun.
It's a water gun.
Where did you move it? People need to see, you know. Oh, yeah, it's like a water gun.
Yeah, it's a water gun. And
now what?
here's the list. Mom, show them the list while I unbox the other ones.
Yeah. We'll put a picture up of the list. Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, we will. But the list's too small. So those are the ones that she's got so far. Where are they? And that's the list of ones.
Oh, and I got some bags.
Who did you get? Bags. Show everybody the bags. What do they look like? Paper bags. Yay. Was it the last one?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
There's still one more left.
Okay. Well, let's see what else you got. So you got shopping bags. And
That's
the lucky last
actually
one.
kind of good. I need more shopping bags.
Yep. And the lucky last one. What is it?
What is wrong with this thing?
Do you need help?
Nah, got it. Hope it's Patrick's star because otherwise I'll be so mad.
Who is it? Show everybody. Hey. My goodness. The little car. Show me. Wait.
I'm
blurry. Oh, yeah.
frustrated.
It's alright. Say bye to everybody.
I do not like what I
Don't
got.
forget to subscribe and
Avocado.
like and share, right? Say have a good weekend. Bye bye. Oh my goodness, Gaby.